This is the elevator at the Tysons Corner Center in Tysons Corner, Virginia. This is the Minnesota glass elevator, and wait till you hear the voices in this thing. It's gonna come down, right? Dude, oops. It's coming down. I gotta put the camera down since there's people in there. Yeah, Baba. Yeah. Look how huge this thing is. 2. Didn't press it hard enough. Look at that lantern.
This is cool.
Oh, loud. That's a rolling motor. Oh, it doesn't have to. Okay. Oh, I can't.
There's another car. Let's go check it out.
Oh, wait. There it goes.